Johnny, I don't understand.
Don't play games with me. Johnny, help me out here. She's clean. Johnny, you... Johnny, did you sort it out or not? I'll sort it out tomorrow. No, I said next week is not good enough.
Hi, Bob.
Face the wall. I don't want to see the back of your head. Johnny, you too. She's clean.
Thank you, Daddy Cool.
Get me today's surveillance files now. Johnny, close the blinds for me, please. Sir, doesn't work.
May I? I brought the surveillance footage.
Show me.
I'm so sorry.
Drop now.
Hi, Tina.
Excuse me, sir, but what about his bag?
Yeah, that's my golf bag.
But there's room for more than just clubs and there, Mr. Howard.
So what exactly are you suggesting, Molly? That my right-hand man and stash the cash in my golf bag?
Yes, sir.
Well,
Oh, a lot of dragons.
let's find out.
I'm going to ask you.
Sir, I don't know what is this. Shut up. Sit down now.
Hi, dragon.
Get out.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Daddy.
I lost it tomorrow, okay? Sorry.
Hello, sweetheart.
What? How you did?
I would recommend taking long walks with so much money on you. You know, money in the blind, it's so simple, so genius. Can be. You Donald's daughter. Well, ain't that something? Johnny, Donald and I started the business years ago. How is the old man?
He's gone.
Oh, that's a shame,
Thank you, Daddy Cool.
because I really would have liked to have caught up with him a little. But out of respect for Donald's memory, we will make sure your end is painless. Johnny, unroll the blind.
I'm going to trust you.
What's this? What's this?
This is evidence, Mr. Frank Howard. All the illegal things you did behind my father's back. Evidence of how you framed him and
Victor,
took
hello.
everything that belonged to him.
Johnny, sort her out. For good. No! What's this? What are you doing, you crazy pig? Please, open the door. Mr. You're under arrest for multiple crimes of varying degrees. What? Are you out of your mind?
Jealous.
You ungrateful swine! I wouldn't recommend you speaking that way to a police officer. What? Guys, take him away. No! No, I'm innocent! No! I'm innocent! Ma'am, I'm apologizing to involving you in this. We've been observing Mr. Howes for quite some time, and the documents you gathered, let's say it's exactly what we needed to ensure that Mr. Howard never sees the daylight again. Thank you. Would you mind?
Of course not.
Thank you. By the way, do you know where Mr. Howard's money is?
I'm afraid he doesn't have his money anymore.
Have a nice evening, Miss Brown.
World, hi. Hi, Mango 66. Welcome again.
Pwede akong makiupo dyan?
Sige lang.
May nakita ka bang nakaitim na jacket na lalaki? May utang kasi sa akin yun eh. Madalas ka dito? Bakit ka nakaupo dyan? Sino inaantay mo?
Wala.
Baka niloloko mo lang ako ah. Tatanong lang naman ako eh.
Ngayong araw, tangtok namin ang isang nakagigimbal at komplikadong krimen. Ang kaso nito, isang
Red
malaking
Drum.
hamon sa sinumang hakatol.
Papaano nga ba titimbagin ang hustisya kung ang mapanganib na sospek ang biktima rin umano ng
Thank you,
masalimuot
Daddy.
na sirkumstansya?
Ako si Casa Belga.
At ako naman po si Liza Aquino.
Ito ang Scene of the Crime Operative.
Bibi, pag nasa kalobinaan, bawal magpatungod ha. Kay matagakan mo globin. Merienda with pork.
Tita Mami, ayoko po ng gulay.
Iya, sige na, kumain ka na kahit konti lang.
Ayoko po.
No, another red dragon.
Kahit ubusin mo lang ito nasa plato mo, sayang naman kung ginawa kainin. Matuto kang kumain ng gulay ha.
Sige
Nice
po,
bag.
basta pupunta po tayong park mamaya.
Sige na.
Ito ang sultan ng Brunei. May 600 siyang Rolls Royce at ang palasyo niya ay may 1,788 na
kwarto. Alam mo ba kung magkano siya magpagupit? 1 million pesos. At kung feeling mo yun ang pinakamaangas, teka lang. Dahil ito ang 6 sa pinaka-ridiculous na facts about the world's
Strengths.
most expensive lifestyle. Siya ang may-ari ng Istana Nurul Iman, ang pinakamalaking residential palace sa buong mundo. Meron itong 2.1 million square feet and it features 1,780
Thank you, my love.
Mas marami pa kaysa sa mga 5-star hotels.
Hide me! Someone put a can of treacle on the Trunchbull's chair. She thinks I did, but I never. Nick is stuck to the seat. You're going to chokey, kids. But that's not right. He didn't do anything. Take it from me. The boy is doomed. Matilda, please help me. You better hide.
Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Kenji, hi. Love you, love.
Ow!
What?
He bit me.
He doesn't even have teeth. You okay, though?
My name is Emma, and I need help. My son, he's been acting so weird lately. It's absolutely terrifying me. And the more I think about it, the more I realize I think I've been cursed. It all started a few years ago in Brazil. I was down by this river when I saw this strange old woman. I walked up to her, mistake number one, and she warned me I shouldn't be there. But here's the creepy part. She knew my name. She promised to grant me 3 wishes. She pulled out this red string, tied it to my wrist, and told me to make my wishes before she tied 3 knots. I did what she said, but the second she finished, she let out this bone chilling moan. I freaked out and ran for my life while she was screaming warnings at my back.
No farther!
When I got back, I told my boyfriend, Apollo. He had 0 chill about it.
Baligya, wala namang ko ilaing i-affiliate kinahurot na ba? Ugma pa tumabot ang uban. Yun ay manggod kinasayo ko order dapat sa liko man tanan nga. Nasayop man kini may naabot. So pambabae din ay siya. Kini siya isuot pa man tanan sa kamot niya kay di man maigo. Mag-isi niya. Dire man tanan sa braso di. So kung kinsa tong gusto mo palit diha, na sa mo ni ko anak siya bay. Mo ni. Mo ni. Oy, unsa man ni? Unsa man ni magsuot mar? Magsundalo ka daw. Magsundalo ka? Sir, dili ko magsundalo, sir. Dili man lagi nay. Magsundalo, Mar. Dili ka, dili. Magsundalo na siya sa may si mama. Unsa dili ka laki, dili? Wala klaro mo anak nay. Unsa man ka rin mumungo. Sundalo ni unsa? 80,000 ang bulan karon sa sundalo. Dila, 80,000. Sir. Sir. Oh, sa man. Sundalo ko, sir. Wala, may klaro ni bataan eh. Unsa ba, sure ka? I-deploy na ba daan yun? Sunod semana pa ni mamakuha ang mga 80,000. Okay. Sure man ka? Oh. Sige, padala ni Scuba, tagay sundang. Sundang, mo na yung mga armas. Ano ba, unsa man sundang? Unsa man ko manubaw sa akin? Ay, napamili ka na. Daot na naman kong pusito. Sundang mo na yung hirotap yan. Unsa man yung gusto mo, lampas mo ha? Ano ba, lampas? Unsa man ko sila pula ko? Sige na rin ba? Ano kung sundalo? Hindi mo lang siya na eh. Sundalo. Ang nasirik para saya kayo, 80,000.
Visit.
If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The world.
The world.
Hello, Pogo.
Hi, Mr. Lo.
Loko ka talaga, Tonyo. Hindi ka talaga
H,
marunong madala.
hi.
Sa wakas, nakita din kita. Mabuti at naramdaman ko ang iyong presensya.
Nasa panganib nga ang buhay ni Puti. Nakuha siya ng isang matandang mangkukulam. Mabuti at hindi na sumama sa atin si Remedios upang mapabilis ang pagpunta natin sa bahay ng mangkukulam. Halika na at magmadali tayo nang sa gayon ay maabutan natin siya bago matapos ang ritual.
tayo? Natatakot na po kasi ako.
Huwag kang matakot, Iha. Basta kasama mo ako. Walang masamang mangyayari sa iyo dito.
Mang Keps, paano po yan? Parang ang dami
Oh,
nila.
wow.
Matatalo po kaya natin sila?
Teka,
Thank
Mariel,
you.
matyagaan muna natin sila.
That's really nice, huh?
Sana ayos lang si Puti.
Lumabas ka dyan, matandang mangkukulam. Nahanap ka rin namin kung saan ka nakatira. Sobrang perwisyo ka na dito. Magandang gabi, mga kaibigan.
He was kissed near his eye by someone with a cold sore, and the virus spread into the tissues, which damaged the nerves and made him unable to feel pain. So whenever his eye felt itchy, he rubbed it aggressively, creating tiny cuts all over the surface. Over time, it turned into a serious wound. So doctors stitched his eyelid shut, but the damage is so bad he could end up permanently blind. He was
Some days start before. Habang naglilinis ng silid ang yaya, bigla niyang nadiskubre ang isang sofa na kahit anong gawin niya ay hindi niya matulog.
I know I was funny, you thought I was losing till I went and got my leg back. I said it was cool, look, I was lying. You know I gotta get my get back. I don't see nobody laughing now. They only acknowledge when you running out. Back on top like a riot dick. Pop my shit, these hoes got pissed. Do it all phone like a badass kid. Then come tame and slap my wrist. I ain't never cut no down no fame. I know do it if it make me rich. And I ain't gotta show you, little baby, you know it. I ain't never been a clown, but nigga, I'm big.
Thank you, my love.
Yeah, I'm top dog round this bitch, wanna put a plate through, gotta see me first. They don't wanna make me mad no more. Try last time, that shit got worse. I don't want the money in cash no more. Got too many racks, but I know I was funny. You thought I was losing till I went and got my leg back. I said it was cool, look, I was lying. You know I gotta get my get back. I don't see nobody laughing now. Front end come right to my bank account. I don't see nobody clapping now. They only acknowledge when you running out.
What the fuck? Hi, Chico. Da 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 da.
For my video. Can you see me? Hello? Can you find me? Can you find me? I'm here.
I saw you!
Behind you, look. Behind you. I'm behind you. I am right behind you. Don't be scared. I just want to play a game with you.
No.
Hey, please stay. Stay with me.
No. Go away. Go away! I don't want to look at you. You're so scary.
Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain that washed the spider out. Out came the
Dahil mounting, pagsampa, pagham, na ginagawa ng inyong mga alagang aso, babae man yan o lalaki, can mean a lot of things. Pero hindi yan katulad sa ating tao kung paano natin
Pinindot ng munting oso ang pulang buton at biglang bumagsak ang napakaraming damit. Pagkatapos, isiniksik niya ang lahat ng iyon sa washing machine. Hinubad pa niya ang sarili niyang damit at isinama rin sa paglalaba. Ngunit nang paalis na siya, bigla niyang naalala na naisama rin pala niya ang kanyang pulang medyas. Dali-dali siyang tumakbo upang buksan ang washing machine. Ngunit sira na ang hawakan nito. Pula na ang kulay ng tubig sa loob. Dahil dito, napilitan ang lahat ng bilanggo sa kulungan na magsuot ng pulang uniforme. Isang malaking bilanggo ang masamang tumitig sa oso, ngunit tahimik lamang itong umupo at nagsimulang kumain. Kung may magsasabing masarap ang pagkain, iyon ay isang malaking kasinungalingan.
Sa unang kagat pa lamang parang masusuka na siya. Nagsimulang magreklamo ang oso tungkol sa pagkain. May isang bilanggo ang pabulong na nagsabi, "Huwag mong kalabanin ang kusinero." Ngunit may ilang matatalinong bilanggo ang nagsabi, "Kung mapapalitan mo ang pagkain, walang gagambala sa'yo." Para mapasaya ang lahat, pumayag ang oso. Dumiretso siya sa kusina at sinabi sa kusinero, "Bro, napakapangit ng pagkain na ito. Sino ba ang kakain ng tinapay na sobrang tigas?" Masama na ang loob ng kusinero at lalo pa itong nagalit. Nataranta ang ibang bilanggo. Akala nila ay katapusan na ng oso. Ngunit aksidenteng natapon ng oso ang isang buong bote ng ketchup sa kusinero. Sinubukan niyang linisin agad, ngunit lalo lamang natumihan ang damit. Humarap siya sa lahat at humingi ng tulong, ngunit nagtago silang lahat sa ilalim ng mga mesa. Sa matinding galit, sinunggaban ng kusinero ang oso at sumigaw, "Ang hapunan natin ngayong gabi ay karne ng oso!" Nanginginig sa takot ang munting oso. Bigla siyang kumuha ng tinapay, nilagyan ito ng kaunting jam, at mabilis na isinubo sa bibig ng kusinero. Agad nagbago ang reaksyon ng kusinero. Hindi pa siya kailanman nakatikim ng ganon kasarap na pagkain. Ngumiti siya at sinabi, "Mula ngayon, ikaw na ang magiging katulong ko. Walang hahawak sa'yo." Sabay silang tumawa at nagkasundo. Naging bagong bayani ng kusina ang oso. Kinabukasan, nagsimula na silang magtrabaho ng magkasama. Nagplano silang gumawa ng orange jam at tinapay. Pinili ng oso ang pinakamagagandang dalandan gamit ang kanyang pang-amoy, habang piniga naman ng kusinero ang katas. Pagkatapos, tinadtad nila ang mga balat at inilagay ang lahat sa isang kaldero. Dinagdagan nila ito ng asukal. Makalipas ang ilang sandali, anda na ang perpektong orange jam. Sa oras ng kainan, nakatanggap ang lahat ng orange-flavored na sandwich. Masayang kumain ang lahat at pumalakpak para sa dalawang kusinero. Hindi naglaon araw-araw ng gumagawa ng bagong panghimagas ang oso. Naging masaya ang buong kulungan. Ngunit kalaunan, namiss ng oso ang kanyang pamilya. Kaya gumawa siya ng malaking plano ng pagtakas at
Hi,
isinama ang kanyang mga kaibigan.
Royal.
Sa gabi, pumasok sila sa isang lagusan at gumapang sa mga tubo hanggang makarating sa laundry room. Itinulak nila ang isang malaking kariton. Umakyat ang oso sa tore ng orasan at hinawakan ang malaking pendulum upang makaundayog pa itaas. Dahan-dahan siyang gumapang sa mga gear hanggang makarating sa bubong. Kinuha niya ang susi roon at pagkatapos ay nagtungo sa dining hall. Kumuha siya ng mantel at isang tangke ng gas. Nagtipon ng lahat sa bubong. Binuksan nila ang mantel at ginawang isang
Spam
malaking
random
lobo.
box na, guys.
Sinindihan ng kusinero ang tangke ng gas upang painitin ang hangin. Unti-unting umangat ang lobo. Isa-isang sumakay ang mga bilanggo at lumipad palayo. Sa huli, nakauwi ang oso at muling nakapiling ang kanyang pamilya.
Yeah, maybe.
Nadali lang, hindi ka sikat na. Gigi mo. Hi guys! Una ko ninyo mag-unboxing ng mga gifts. Mga sa akong birthday na ako
Go, daddy, come. Baby,
Wala
come.
siya, pero grateful yapon ko kanina nagtatag, okay? So, dili ta mag-unayatag sa ang
Baliw,
best Jiha.
baby.
Thank you.
Dragon! Oh, this is what I said.
Wow.
Dragon really came out.
Yung jacket. Magtatomboy na talaga ako.
Sana hindi ka magulat dito.
Thank
Pero
you,
alam mo bang,
Thank you, Daddy.
I know I was funny, you thought I was losing till I went and got my lick back. I said it was cool, look, I was lying. You know I gotta get my get back. The game is on again. A lover or a friend. A big thing or a small. That's when it takes it all. The game is on again. A lover or a friend. A big thing or a small. That's when it takes it all. The game is on again. A lover or a friend. A big thing or a small. That's when it takes it all.
Uy, 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 dahil na nag-comment na ingon siya diri nga budak kung tinuod jud ka nga tripping nganong sa adlaw ra man ka man trip. Dapat sa gabi ipod kung tinuod jud ka nga gahi pagkaon og Jollibee sa interview. Estima jud ni pinakauna nga buhaton ako sa tibok na kinabuhi dahil kung tinuod jud ko nga gahi dahil pero ang problema nakuha ni karon kung magkaon og Jollibee wala man ko'y kwarta pero dapat na jud ko'y financer karon tay man mangita ko kauban ako diri karon sa balay nga manlibre sa ako og Jollibee. Ate Mechikay. Kaman. Gusto ko magkuhan ko. Lain na challenge ako. Matuto ko interview. Magkaon daw og Jollibee niya. Wala mo kwarta good. Sige. Aha?
kaya ba ito sa interview? Ano ko, nakanimo? Ano kay interview, mahal?
Basta librehin ko Jollibee. Ano mas sila magkaon daw ko sa Jollibee daw og interview.
Ayo, anang...
Magkano ang raw stones?
Making my sugar.
Ether. Arde.
Dumating na nga yung bill namin sa kuryente. Nabigla ko kasi triple na yung babayaran namin. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, magtitipid na talaga ako. Kaso imbis na magtitipid ako, nagpa-solar na lang ako dito sa bahay. So eto nga, ang sarap na ng tulog ko, tapos merong nag-doorbell. Pinapanaginip ko pa naman si Crush na udlot tuloy. Sakto dumating na yung electric bill namin. At dahil dito na kami nakatira, kami na rin ang magbabayad. Nabigla nga ako kasi sobrang laki na ng bill namin. Totoo pala talaga na the more na malaki yung bahay mo, the more na malaki yung gasto. Kaya hindi na ako nagdalawang
Hi,
isip
Makan.
yung ilaw at saka aircon. Sakto, meron akong dumating na bisita. Tumawag kasi agad ako sa mga naglalagay ng solar panel. At sa totoo lang, wala talaga akong idea sa mga ganito, pero lakasan na lang ng loob. Sabi ni Kuya, buti na lang daw dalawa yung breaker namin. Kasi mas safe daw to kapag emergency nasunog yung bahay. Pero wag naman sana kasi kakalipat lang namin dito. Kailangan daw i-check lahat ng mga aircon. Para daw malaman nila kung magkano yung nakokonsume namin sa isang buwan. Isipin nyo, hindi pa namin pinapagana lahat pero umabot na ng 5 VG. In-explain na nga sa akin ni Kuya na merong dalawang klase ng solar. Yung una daw ay tinatawag na green. Eto naman, magagamit mo talaga siya ng daytime. Kaso kapag gabi na, yung Meralco na daw yung gagana. In short, magbabayad ka pa rin ng electric bill. Yung pangalawa naman, tinatawag na hybrid. Eto naman, hindi lang daytime magagamit, pati na rin gabi. At kahit mawalan ng power, may kuryente kayo sa bahay. At malaki din daw yung chance na mag-zero daw yung bill namin. Opo, mas maganda talaga ang hybrid, pero maganda din ang presyo. Parang mapapa-extra kayo tayo nito Naloka nga ako kasi may padrong pa si na Kuya. Kailangan daw kasi i-check yung bubong natin para malaman kung saan daw ilalagay yung mga solar panel. Sigurado marami magtatanong na gumastos na naman tayo. Sa totoo lang, good investment talaga to. Kasi mababawi mo yung ginastos mo after 3 to 5 years. Pagkatapos nun, maliit na lang yung babayaran mo. Kaya ayan, kinabukasan, dumiretso agad kami dito sa Laguna. Sa Green Sky Solar Energy pala ako nag-avail. Nakita ko kasi ang dami nilang ini-installan at legit naman. Sabi ko naman sa
Ideas.
Nagilagit ko, nagila ko, tawan ni mo. Yawa ko. Kay, manaoy. Ano man? Gilag ng kari mo, na po. Sorry na ba? Ayun, nagilang ko. Ang pilok sa'yo, yung pilok ba? Pahilan na, be. Wala na ako kay gilag. Bas na ako. Sige, bas pa. Sikat, kabalo ka, nabi mo sa beta. 100k followers na taron. Di ba? Nasa photo, galing mo, this is my own.
Arizona B. B is for Bulldogs. 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 Bulldogs.
Diyos ko! Diyos ko! Diyos ko po! Diyos ko! Diyos ko! Diyos ko po! Diyos ko! Diyos ko!
Take me to your room.
Ready?
Ay, sir, bili po kayo ng mais. Mainit pa po.
Ay, naku, gusto ko yan.
Ay, sige po. Ilan po sa inyo? Teka. Ikaw gusto mo? Ako gusto ko ba? Tsaka ba't kumakain ng mais? Kung mahirap lang yan, babe. Ma'am, siya naman po yung kakain eh.
Eh, babe, masarap yan. Japanese corn po ba? Matamis?
Opo. Teka, ang landi mo eh. Ang landi mo.
Hi, Mega Greyhound. Take me to Dubai. It's like hold on. Welcome in here, guys.
Bakit? Parang pinitip.
Hi, my heart. My heart. The gown. Hello. That's what side, baby. That's myself, but it makes me sick.
Them want to wind them ways. Tell them forward in a ace. For the bang bang embrace, yeah.
Early morning love, she get it good from she rise. But if you dance so good, I make she shake out, she die. Just a smile upon her face, but know she pleased with this eye. She coming around to me, think y'all roll out the bars. Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there, wine on, she's from there. Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there.
Wine for you would make sweat drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you're full of crack and you can keep up with the energy. What a every night of it embedded in your memory. Little bubble up it, treat it like a melody.
What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better than this reggae guy? I can do this every morning, every evening. I just screaming straight back to sunrise.
Bang 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 bang, yeah.
Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there, wine on, she's from there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there.
Yeah, nobody practice, just get in the position and boss one. Never you forget this is your mission. If you take a girl, man, you will
be in a condition and boss one. Take a sip and do the inhibition. Coming independent to start my ignition. See you swinging it and it's my ambition. To give it the little love, make you turn and twist and me give it the stick, make you balance and grip on.
Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not just go down? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there.
Stay down there, girl. Stay down there.
My time be wide. Let them know say that nobody can stop me shine. Caribbean girl, they never been on retired. Girl, just make them know that you are one of a kind.
As I'm not doing right, I'm up to the night. As I'm not doing right, one thing is to do, one thing is to right. Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there.
Yeah, go down, 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 down. Yeah, go down, 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 down. Yeah, go down, 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 down.
Let's go up.
Yeah,